In Samoa, our Samoan customs and tradition and Christian principles are of utmost importance. Samoa has three key structural elements to it: the matai, or the chiefs, the ainga, or the extended family, and the church. Matais are the heads of the extended family unit, and their role is very complex, covering family, civic, and political duties in the village. There are 362 villages found throughout the islands. The role of village politics in the maintenance of order is important because the state has no army and a relatively small police force. This limits the ability of the state to enforce laws and shapes its relations with villages, which retain significant autonomy. Samoa is the first Pacific Island country to establish a court specifically to deal with alcohol and drug-related offending. Under the leadership of Her Honor Justice Tuatangaloa, we've seen a steady progress in the work of the Alcohol and Drugs Court. The Judiciary and the Ministry of Justice acknowledges the assistance of Her Honor Judge Emma Aiken, who pioneered the establishment of this court in Samoa. One of the key aspects of this court is family group conferencing. Before an offender is accepted into the court, the probation officer and case manager facilitate a family group conference where the offender's parents, guardians, older siblings, and other significant family members attend. It is carried out in the offender's home, an opportunity for the ADC team to vet the home environment of the offender, get the support of family members, and also assess the environment to ensure that it is conducive with conditions set out by the court. In the delivery of programs, they have been able to build rapport with the participants and liaise with community leaders, thus strengthening ties, keeping their main goal of rehabilitation and deterrence in mind in respect of the participants.
And this is one of the significant part of the Alcohol and Drugs Courts program, is that participants can stay at their own villages and attend the program.
Our psychoeducation program runs 3 days a week for 12 weeks. It consists of cognitive behavioral therapy, talking therapy, anger management, and others.
Another key component of this court is the involvement of community justice supervisors.
O loo iai ni taulelea fo'i o loo mātou ngā lulue po va'alua fo'i mafesoani atu. E nā molia ono le tūlanga i le awa mālosi, e le ngata i lea o whala o whasaina. I le taimi mua ma le amatanga e le i whaingofi. E le i whaingofi e le mātou loo tau mawhai atu e tutu mai i a nganga o tamaiti nei. Awa o tamaiti nei e le ngata o nisi u whai ainga. Ia o nisi fo'i e le i whai ainga. A o lātou ia sa whatupua lea tūlanga leanga po le whatupu vevesi i te tonu o le whiuanga. Ia e meise ono whanga whai te le pe o na iei tonu o taulanga. Ai ina ua mātou ngā lului. O le suingala, wale ngata ina le o toi tango fia le ava malosi. A wale o toi tango fia fo'i le la au whasaina ia o le la au leo le maruana.
Le paingo fia le bokara. Ia o ke ngā lue kwa pasia, ia le whangatu. Ia mahua, mai. Ka mai leo a kimi e o leo kwa wha le awa i le kwa lbo o whai pisia. E dei nisi o la kuwai. E dei ka ua para. E dei aron ka ua para mene mwai. Ai, kuli loa aia. Ia inga maa. Sa peibo le ngā ka le o mea te mini o le awa. Wa ke le a swing.
The success of the program is bringing back the offenders back to the community, because it is through this community that they committed the offenses, and at the same time not only for reconciliation purposes, to correct their mistakes or the things they have done wrong or the crimes they have committed, but also for the community on how we can contribute in not only for them to become better people, but us as well as a better community.
To conclude, here are some of the testimonials by current and past participants of the Alcohol and Drugs Court.
O te whaftai sungari whaiaonga, a wale a oino I mātou, wa iai eise ao ngā ore nei aonga I ro nei tangata, te le mata upu se no wa oina, ia mo whapenauna te le se le so na o ngā ua mawhai o no tau awhi mau, ia po te pue mau e fue. Ina ia vea le ma se suinga o lo nei tangata I le nei tausanga, o savali atu le amatanga nei tausanga. Ona e tala nea lo tina e te au san, whamasani ma le li e manui ai lo olanga. Se whiwhianga I lo wainga, ia o whapena ona tue mo se maftanga le ngata I mātua, ia o tō rua mat whanau.
Wa ue lima tausanga o safa lo olanga. Ona o me tutupu te tono a inga ma. Tono fo whala tonga ma fo ina safa ma fo fa. Ia sa o ole tūlanga I le pia ma le tele o mea na o ile o langa o safa le ma fo I me tutupu. E wha lima tau fia u whalpupui. So e le aise se mea na to manga ia u pe sui mai ai lo mafau mai nā taimi na tau fia mo ai a le tau finga muli a ulona lima. So leanga whaftaile le tua na mau ai lo ua manoa o te e alu ia ul porkalame le o tō whaftala. So leanga whaftaile le tua le porkalame ono te leo le suinga wai ai le o langa ai pia ma le o langa le mafau se tu lo fo I me no o ile o langa ai whaftai le tua sa o uina I ma sui mai ai le o langa to sui mai le mafau ia o mafu ai ona le to inu pia I o tele me au ngale a inga o whaatau ona o sefi mai le tupi.
In December 2016, they rolled out an awareness program in the community throughout Upolu with the theme Community Safety is Everyone's Business. Presentations were delivered to expose the Alcohol and Drugs Court to the community and create awareness of its purpose and role within the Ministry of Justice. In August 2018, just recently, the Alcohol and Drugs Court was further expanded to include offences in the jurisdiction of the District Court, which are mainly for offences punishable by imprisonment for less than 7 years. This came about because of the need and also the ultimate aim of the Alcohol and Drugs Court to capture all other offending, including traffic and other violent offences before the District Court. The vision to extend to include the whole of Samoa, including Savai Island, is a long-term plan. Our goal, keeping in mind that with every extension comes other factors that needs to be taken into consideration, such as accessibility, participants commuting and traveling from rural villages for their programs, and also the need for another case manager and clinician with the specific expertise required so that the offender has access to the necessary intervention.